What's up, y'all? Y'all always asking me how I be making my sauce, so here it is. I'm about to make this sauce using them ingredients. I use the same pan from when I cook my chicken. I'm adding some butter in there. Okay, you gotta get the butter in there real good. Like, I'm making some pasta, y'all. Y'all can see at the end, it's gonna be fire. Okay, spread the butter around there real good. Mix it on in with them juices from the chicken. You know what I'm saying? Like, you making, like, just trust the process is gonna be fire. And then the heavy whipping cream, we pouring that junk on in there just like that. You know what I'm saying? Heavy whipping cream with some bouillon. Okay. Get you some bouillon, okay? If you don't know nothing about bouillon, okay, I'm just gonna lead y'all to just like get y'all like together. Then you gonna stir that in real good. I got the eye on like 7 too. So you stirring that, and then marinate on and with your sauce. Then you add some cream cheese. Yes, cream cheese, bitch. It's not just made for making cheesecake, ho. Fat ass. So y'all, god damn. Now you letting this simmer in before I can start whisking it up. Like, there we whisking it up. You gonna stir it in real good. No lump. No, we ain't having no lumpy sauce, okay? No lumpy sauce right here. My shit gonna be fine. It's gonna be creamy. It's gonna be smooth. And like I'm telling y'all, I got the itis over here right now recording this shit because I'm fat as fuck and I'm full as fuck. Add some cayenne pepper. Yes, we season our sauce around here. Some sea salt, okay? All right, then let that simmer down. Simmer the fuck on down, okay? Add some Parmesan cheese, okay? And some Italian style cheese, okay? Put it in there. You gonna mix that shit. See, it's a little bit of water because I don't want it to be like too. Anyway, stirring is important, okay? I got the heat on high. You need to stir. It's gonna get lumpy. It'll start to like, you know, not mix well and all that shit. Like, you know, because oil and water are mixing. You really got look at that. Look at that. Then I'm adding my pasta in there, my bow tie pasta. Look, baby, that's good without the chicken, but I add chicken in there anyway, okay? It was good without the chicken, bitch. It was good without it, okay? Like, ooh, I'm a chef. I'm really a chef. Like, how I'm not married on that. Then I'm adding some more Parmesan cheese to that, like, ooh, and the ghetto toppings that don't taste like shit. And bam, that's it. Hope you enjoy.